Hello, this is Gio. Hey, look what we have here. We have a 2K home security camera from Galayou. And more specifically, this is the G7 home security camera. It is really tiny, and I picked this up actually to watch my dog in my kitchen. He tends to like to steal food, so I figured I'd spy on him. But you could also use this just straight as a security camera, but also as a baby or child monitor. And so opening this thing up, you get a little booklet here. Let's see what we get. This must be the camera. Now this thing is tiny, and that's exactly why I wanted it. And so look at how tiny this thing is. And this is exactly why I wanted it. You can kind of pretty much set this thing up anywhere. You could hook it up via Wi-Fi, connect it to your phone. There's an app for that. And you can actually monitor the images and video through your phone. And it doesn't matter if you're home or away. It even has a motion detector, which is, if there's some motion, it'll notify your phone. So it also, of course, comes with a plug and looks like a little USB charger. You can charge it probably off a computer or a little brick like you see here. And this, if I can get this out of here, this is the little connector, which looks like it just plugs in right there. And on the side, it actually has a little slot for a micro SD card, which you can see right here, which is really cool. And also on the back, you'll notice that it has a little speaker or microphone here. I think the microphone's probably in front, but this little speaker, you can actually do two-way communication via your phone. You can speak with somebody, they can hear it from the camera and then speak with you. So you could actually communicate with people you are viewing via video. And then of course it comes with some hardware here, some screws, some wall mounts, has a little template right here. On the bottom, you could actually mount it to the wall or even a ceiling. And this is the little screw template, so you won't make a mistake. And you do need to keep it plugged in. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a battery, but it's really cool that you can mount this anywhere you want. Okay, so let's start setting this up. You do want to probably remove the little plastic cover up on top here. And then the first thing they kind of want you to do is take your smartphone, whether it's a iPhone or an Android, and they want you to scan this little code right here, this barcode from your camera. So we'll go ahead and do that. Now, if you don't want to scan this code, you could also go to Wanzu Cloud in the App Store, and we'll go ahead and do that here. And so we'll type in Wanzu Cloud. And that looks like what we're looking for, so we'll go ahead and hit get. Okay, so we have it on our phone, so we'll go ahead and open up the app. We want to allow. And here they want you to sign in. We don't have an account yet, so we'll go ahead and hit the top right sign up button here. And then you just want to enter your information with the password, your email address, and so I'll go ahead and do that. Of course, you want to hit the terms and conditions as well. Okay, after you've signed in, they want you to actually pair the device. So we need to add the device, so we'll go ahead and do that now. We have the camera here, we need to plug the power in, so just go ahead and plug it in there. You can start seeing the little dotted line there, so it is working. So we'll go ahead and add device. So hit that there. Okay, so we do need to find the device. This is the Galayou, so we have that, and it's the G7. So this is the device right here, so we'll go ahead and hit that. Okay, so from here, it basically gives you a couple options how you can pair your device to your phone as well as connect to the Wi-Fi. We'll go ahead and select the top one. It first asks you, is your device flashing? And yes, indeed, it is flashing. So we're gonna hit flashing and then go through the procedure of pairing it. most likely with the QR code that's in back. So your camera will need to scan that, as well as connecting to your internet and your Wi-Fi via your login and your password. So I'll go ahead and do that and come back when I'm done. Okay, after I logged into the Wi-Fi, it is giving me this QR code. Actually, it's not the one in back, but what it displays on the phone. It wants you to basically aim this.
QR code scan is successful.
There you go.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi.
It is connecting to the Wi-Fi. And I guess I hit next.
Registering on the server.
It's registering on the server. So it says connect to network, registering on server.
Pairing is successful.
And it says,
you can start using the camera now.
And it says pairing is successful. So go ahead, hit OK. And there you go. We have, it is showing the camera. As you can see here, in, out, you have the display right here. It says good. And so let's test this thing out and see just how good it is.
And there you go. This is what it looks like. The quality is pretty good. Maybe a little grainy, but it's a tiny little camera though. The audio, you can hear the quality of the audio. Again, it's a little tinny, but again, a small microphone. But for the size of this device, this quality is very good.
Now you can see my normal camera right there compared to the security camera. So you can see the comparison right there. But I do kind of want to show you a little bit of just the display on the phone. You can see here, this is basically what I'm recording right here. If I go back one screen, this is the main display. You can see on the bottom, device, alert, cloud, and some information about me. If you go into the device, or we are in the device, but if you go up where the photo is, you'll see a little crank shaft right there. That's the settings, and you can do a lot of different things with the settings, including if you have a memory card, the micro SD card in there, you can turn it on. You could record just the motion or not, or continuous, or just not have it at all. There's also a cloud service you can purchase, where you can upload your images into the cloud. So a lot of different settings. There's also a motion setting here. So if you hit, I think, motion detector. Oh, let me go back actually. Yeah, motion detection. Right there, it showed that there was motion detected. As I move around, it's actually notifying my phone that there was motion. So from motion detection, if you go to up on top, detection area. So if you hit that, you can actually adjust the different areas of where you want the motion to actually record. So you don't actually, if motion is in the entire screen, you could set it to that. Or if you just want to monitor one portion of the screen, you could also do that. Again, I'm getting these motion detection alerts. So you could adjust where you want the actual device to sense the motion. And so back to the main screen there. On the upper left, you could see a little square with sub-squares. If you hit that, you can see that you can add in a number of devices. It looks like up to 4. So if you wanted more than one camera, you could monitor them all in this one display right here. And there you go. That is the Galayou G7 Smart Home Security Camera. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen and even consider subscribing to my channel. I have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.